Hello, Paul Hefner, the CEO of Finance Pals, and today I'm going to be talking about automating invoicing. This is a process that we use for our own bookkeeping, but we use it for a lot of clients as well. Uh, we used to enter all of our time, all of our staff would enter time into Google Sheets. They would say, hey, I worked for 5 hours on this client, I worked for 2 hours on this client. And it was across all different staff. And then somebody would have to go in and say, okay, who are all the staff that worked for XYZ client? And they would do a filter, and then they would say, okay, there's 2 hours in this one. They would copy and paste what the task was. And anyway, it was getting very cumbersome to say the least. So we came up with this automated process using QuickBooks Time, which used to be called T-Sheets. So let me show you how it works. It's pretty slick. Um, so first you go into QuickBooks Time, like I said, that used to be called T-Sheets, and you literally just go in and say, okay, I'm going to clock into this client. I'm going to work on, a bunch of other tasks. Usually this would be billable. I'm going to say, just delete this task. Um, but you could say, hey, I worked on, entering some invoices, worked on whatever it is. And then after you clock out, you would hit clock out. And then these show up under your time entries. So here's this, delete this thing. I was doing a test earlier, so here's this one. But it has all the different staff, what client they're working on. We'll look at, like here's Elizabeth worked for 4 hours on big ticket sports. Let me see, I probably worked on, here's an hour and 15 for me working on big ticket sports on April 12th. So now, we would do all the syncs and everything. We would approve the time, going to approvals. Then we would sync it up uh, to QuickBooks, and then it would all flow through. Most of these are already done, the approved times. So we'll just do a demo of that, and we can help you set all this up. But now when we go into QuickBooks, we'll do a new invoice for big ticket sports. So I was using them as an example. Oops. New invoice. Let me select the customer. And now it has all the time from T-Sheets over here, and it goes back to April 1st. We do our invoicing monthly, so all the stuff from March and everything is already there. Then we could add each one or check each one, but just for this example, we would add all. Now we can see it has all of those times. So here was the 4 hours from Elizabeth I was talking about, and then the hour 25 for me. So it doesn't matter who worked on it. It just knows that they selected this, and it has all the tasks. So we reconciled the accounts through March. We did all these different things, and then we're ready to go ahead, and if this was our normal process, we would save and send the invoice and send it off. And we have some other videos on automatic AR follow-up, and there's actually a way to even automatically send these at the end of the month, which is another process. But anyway, I thought this was super cool. We've saved our clients a ton of time by helping them implement this, and wanted to share it. So if you have questions or need help setting this up for your company, please give us a call and check out some of our other videos on automating things like rules and overdue invoices, follow up, and things like that. All right, have a great day. Thanks.